Up next is Revonate. They're taking the headache out of renovation. Let's take a look.
Revolutionizing renovation is important because tradespeople and contractors are underwater in too much work. So creating efficiencies in this system allows homeowners and commercial property owners to have a much better experience while significantly reducing the burden on these very taxed contractors. Here's our pitch for the 2-minute drill. I'm Gabe, co-founder and CTO at Revonate. Since moving to Boise, I've renovated several homes. Here's what I've learned. Remodel contractors are super busy, but they're spread thin managing subs and delayed materials order. They need help. Property owners don't know what design trade-offs are needed to hit their budget, leading to situations like if margins are too low, contractors just leave. With no upfront design process, owners change their mind. The reason why significant remodels end in frustration or litigation boils down to a lack of definition of project scope right up front. Revonate's big vision is to empower property owners and small to medium-sized contractors with the ability to consistently and accurately scope remodel projects. Here's how it works. Contractors send their leads to Revonate, or homeowners can come directly to us. Homeowners pay Revonate a fixed design fee. Using existing tech, Revonate captures a dimensionally accurate 3D model. With that model, Revonate brings homeowners through a fully virtual pre-construction service. Revonate helps homeowners visualize exactly what they want with photorealistic renderings like this, with key materials lists automatically generated, along with transparent accounting of full project price and, when needed, permit sets and full construction docs. Contractors who partner with Revonate evolve from being quality builders to being a full design build shop literally overnight. We announced our beta 2 months ago and are working on just under $1 million of remodel spend. The first remodel we initiated completed its build last week. The opportunity in just our 2 launch cities is pre-construction on over 20,000 remodels each year. Now, imagine a world where Revonate securely hosts the digital twin of a majority of U.S. homes, generating detailed workflows for every transaction comprising the $430 billion home maintenance and improvement category. We started Revonate as a public benefit corporation on a mission to save contractors time and ensure they'll make consistent money by converting property owners from random leads to accurately scoped, shovel-ready, prepared remodel customers. Thank you.